Hello guys, this is Rich. In this video I'll tell you about laying out your beats or instrumentals in Ableton Live. So there is one rule people always use: 12 bars for verse and 8 for hooks. So we're gonna be using the same rule here. But this track is high paced. You can see here it's 140. So this rule shall be multiplied by 2. So for instance, we will have in a hook not 8 bars, but 16, because it's high paced. And if you will have only 8 bars in a high paced track, it will be too short, like for real. So let's lay it out together. First of all, we have intro. Sometimes track don't have one or it's very short. Then we have verse, our first verse. Then it's coming to hook or chorus. Then another verse. And one more hook. Then coming outro. Or you can not have one. Like here I have only like last sound of a note or percussion. This is like the most common layout you can use for your beats, and I'll tell you why you should use it. Because your beats are going to be used by other artists, and they need a proper structure of music to make their own track with it. But there are more layouts which are less common, and I'll show you them. First of all, before hook, sometimes there is pre-hook or pre-chorus for like 4 bars, something smooth and following before verse coming here, then coming the verse. So you have hook here and then pre-chorus or pre-hook. So you should consider this as well. And I'll show you one more. Sometimes after intro, coming hook right away for the same 8 bars. So we can actually delete all this. Here we have our hook. Usually this pattern used in a pop tracks. So tracks are coming right in, right away to entertain the listener. Here we have another verse, first verse and second hook. And here coming another verse. And also you can use 3 hooks in a one track. You can surely do that. Usually in the pop tracks this happening. And you can have outro here as well. It's going to be a pretty long one, but if your track is really high paced, like 170, 160, your track is going to be too short, so you can use 3 hooks, for instance. So I hope it was useful for you. Thank you a lot for the watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.